Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm replacing my shift knob. I got me a Dragon Ball Z shift knob. This one, 7-star. You guys can see that? Oh, so beautiful. Alright, I'm replacing this. This is like some regular aftermarket. The one you get on Amazon, like $15 shift knob. Take off this, the adapter. Put this on. This is a 12 by 1.25 threads pitch. Yeah, it's a 12 by 1.25 thread pitch for the Lexus. And it actually it come with adapters for the shift knob too. They come with adapters too, and a washer. But it actually fit perfectly, so I don't need to use any of those stuff. It fit perfectly on the Lexus shift knob. I'll try to screw it in. My battery about to die. It fit perfectly. And you don't even need it, like it already matched up and everything. Shift smooth too. Shift perfect, feel good. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Just replacing my shift knob. Oh, I got it for $20 at Amazon from Key Projects. That's where I got it for $20 Amazon Prime.